Alright, today the cicadas are really going to town. In the last 2 weeks, they've been kind of down the road from our house. We could hear them and we'd see one once in a while, but today they're right in our yard. This is a red maple tree here that I've got you looking at it in the side of my house. So hopefully you can see some of them flying through on against the white there. But the cicadas are really going to town today. They're right here in the yard. We can see them flying everywhere, and they're feeding on this maple tree. So I'm gonna kind of pan around this maple tree and let you see a few spots, and I'm gonna hush so you can hear what they sound like. These are a couple of exoskeletons from what you're hearing. It's a cicada, and they come around ever so often. I think 17 years. I think there's several versions of them, but you'll see these little exoskeletons where they've molted. And then also, along with the exoskeleton, I got you he's mostly alive. But they're very interesting little critters. They make a big racket. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We'll have more videos like this one.